Mr. Ramil, from AOM to notice of discrepancy, suspension, I mean, and then notice of disallowance.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Ano po yung mga nabago dun?
Kapag AOM po kasi, parang nire-require po namin, based on the joint circular.
Sir, ang question ko po, ano po yung nabago? Ibig sabihin from AOM, nabago po, di ba? Kasi binanggit nyo sa kanila, ito yung hinahanap namin.
Yes,
Wala pa rin po. Nag-issue na po kayo. Sa pangalawang stage, nag-issue na po kayo ng notice of suspension.
Yes po, Your
Sa pangatlong stage, nag-issue na kayo ng notice of disallowance. Dun sa stages po na yon, marami po bang nagbago? Para ho kasing sinasabi natin dito, hindi pa rin po sila sumunod sa pangatlong pagkakataon, sa ikatlong stage.
Yes po, Your Honor. Actually, ang na-issue ko lang po ay hanggang notice of suspension, pero i-discuss ko na lang po din yung contents ng notice of suspension. Since nung nag-issue po kami ng AOM, wala pa silang documentary evidence of payments. So sinabit lang po nila yung documentary evidence of payments sa ICFAO upon receipt na nila nung kanilang AOM. And then dun po sa aming notice of suspension, upon evaluation of their responses dun sa aming AOM, at kasama na rin po dun yung documentary evidence of payments. So doon na po namin nakita yung mga payment of rewards na cash, medicines, and in various goods. Tapos nakita din po namin yung mga purchases nila na walang official receipts or sales invoice na supporting document. And then yung mga date po ng payment ng kanilang acknowledgement receipts ay naka-date po ng December 2023 at yung iba po ay walang date. And then, Your Honor, may I be allowed po to refer to the NS for the...
Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. This is very important because it shows that the agency were given chances, 3 stages para mag-submit ng hinihingi po ng ating COA.
Kindly wind up, Senator
Yes,
Judge
this is the last
Villanueva.
question, Mr. Presiding Officer. Thank you.
Yun po, Your Honor. Doon po sa NS po namin, nagkaroon din po kami ng findings na mas malaki yung amount nung kanilang expenditure based on the acknowledgement receipts compared to the accomplishment report ng 150.
Which was not present in the AOM.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Thank you.